All right, guys, this is literally the first time I'm looking at them. I just got them. I came home from work. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Wait, we can't start off like this. I'm gonna hit you guys with the start. Hold on. So if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. So today's video is what we've been waiting for. You, me, everyone, we've all been waiting for this moment. I've been waiting months for these wheels to arrive. If you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, you should, Lago_SRT, same as the YouTube channel. The wheels are finally here. They're finally here. And I'm filming two videos today because I'm getting the carbon fiber wing done, which you can see right there in the bubble wrap. You'll see that video. And then I got the wheels and the tires, and those are getting thrown on today. I'm supposed to get the brake pads today. They were actually supposed to arrive yesterday. They haven't showed up yet, so I don't know if I'm going to have them in time. It's about 1:30 on Friday. I'm supposed to be at TNA by 3. And I'm hoping FedEx somehow gets in between that window. I really was supposed to get them yesterday. There was a delay for some reason. So they kind of screwed me. But if I don't get the brake pads done today, whatever, we'll get it done the next time. No big deal. But I do have the boxes of wheels back there. I dropped off, you'll probably see it in the clip. I don't know how I'm gonna sort all these clips out, but you're gonna see it. I did go yesterday. I dropped off all the tires, one box of the wheels. All right, look what came in today. This is exciting right here, look at this. You guys can see how crazy it is over here right now. Look at this, I got my tire set up over here. The Lionhearts 305 35 22, but here we go. This is the main focal point right here. Take these pieces out. All right, it's actually hard to do this with one hand, so let me put all this stuff down. And then I'll show you guys what they look like. All right, so this is actually my first time looking at them. Look, Jax is excited right here. Jax, what's up? What's up? Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Where are you going? All right, he's out. Daisy, look at my wheels. Daisy, check out my wheels. See my wheels? Yeah, those are going on the Jeep SRT. You excited? No? Okay. All right, guys, this is literally the first time I'm looking at them. I just got them. I came home from work. They were sitting outside, brought them in. As you guys see, I mean, the only thing I did before I started filming was I just cut the tape. But this is the first time I'm looking at them. Oh, man, I'm excited. I'm taking the cover off. I must say, presentation, though, very nice. How do I get this off? Took that off. Now let's see what they look like. Wow. Wow, these look beautiful. The gloss black, Velgen, the lightweight series, 22s. Wow, I can't wait to see what these look like on the Jeep. Wow, look at that. So these are the wheels I got, and then as I showed you over here, here are my Lionhearts. You can see Lionheart over here. You can see the sizing. Hopefully it focuses. But we got the 305 35 22. Damn, I still can't get over how beautiful these wheels look. Oh my God. So as you guys can see behind me, I'm sweating, I'm drenched. I live in an apartment building right now, so to get these tires delivered, bring them upstairs, bring them downstairs, go get the car, bring the car around, put them in the car, it's a lot of work. It really is a lot of work. I gotta pat myself on the back because it's a lot of work. I'm sweating. I'm dying right now. But as you can see behind me, I have all the tires. I don't know if you can see everything, but I have all 4 tires back there. I also have one Velgen wheel box. I'm gonna drop one. So I have 3 more boxes upstairs. I got the lug nuts. I got the top wing that I'm bringing from Black Ops, and I should be having some brake pads show up tomorrow.
The next day.
So now I have the 3 boxes of the rest of the wheels, the carbon fiber wing. I got the box of lug nuts, and I'm supposed to have the brake pads. But like I said, whatever. It doesn't matter. We'll get that done another day. But I'm super excited. This is what I've been waiting for months. These wheels have been on back order. They're brand new, so not a lot of people have them. I'm gonna be one of the first ones probably throwing on my SRT. I've seen a few other ones on Instagram. I haven't seen gloss black yet, besides one guy with a Trackhawk that I follow on Instagram. But other than that, I mean, I don't really care what other people do. I got them. I'm ready to throw them on, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. So let me show you what I got so far. Oh, let me get out of the car. Ooh, it's actually a nice cool day today. Look at my camera, man. Why does it do that? Does anybody know why this happens? Look at this. It's so white outside. I don't know what happened. It was never really like that before. But anyway. So you could see, I just got a car wash today. It's hard to clean these. Like the guys try to get in there, but especially because I have the stock brake pads, they do get dirty super quick. But these are the stock wheels. They were actually, if you've been following me for a while, you know they were alloy silver. Now they're gloss black. I had them powder coated, but they're about to change. So this is what it looks like right now. So that's what they look like right now. It's going to be totally different. These are stock Spider Monkey 20s with 295 45 20s, I believe, the Pirelli run flats, the stock tires that you get on the SRT. So we're going to be bumping it up. 22s, the classic 5 V2 Velgen wheels in gloss black, same color. I was going to branch out and get a different color, but I don't know. I love the whole blacked out look. That's just what I like. So maybe if I get another set of I do like, I told you guys in one of the other videos, I like the Velgen VF5s also. They're a little different style than the classic 5s, but they still look like really good. So I was thinking about maybe get those in a gloss bronze or maybe some kind of silver. I don't know if I get silver. I don't really like silver too much, but maybe the gloss bronze, just so I have, you know, I could change it up whenever I want. You know what I mean? I don't always have to have black and black and black and black. But anyway, so yeah, so it's 1:30 now. Like I said, I'm going to go over to TNA at 3 o'clock. I don't know if I'm going to hang out there the whole time. I don't know how long it's going to take because they have to do the wing also. Plus, they have to take off the tires, then, you know, throw the tires, balance it, mount it, all that stuff. So I don't know how long that stuff's going to take, but I'm going to try to film it. If I can't, I apologize. But I am going to try to get some footage. If not, obviously, you guys are going to see what it looks like afterwards. So on our way to TNA Motorsports. Look at this. I don't know why it looks so shitty. What the I think I need some kind of like special, I don't know what you call them, like polarized like lens covers or filters. That's it. It's a filter.
What's the name of this fish?
Gefilte fish.
Gefilte? You know what this is? What is it?
Gefilte fish.
It's filter fish. Filter fish. You want some of my filter fish? You want any of this? What's the name of the fish?
Gefilte fish. Gefilte fish.
So I think that's what I need, because look at this. You can't even film outside. Look at this. Look how white that shit is. Yep. So maybe I gotta invest in one of those eventually. But on my way to TNA now. Alright, so we're pulling up the TNA Motorsport right now. You guys can see. Alright guys, it's 3 days later since I got the wheels and tires installed. I'm not going to talk too much because I know you guys want to see it already. I think I fixed the camera, so hopefully once we go outside, everything should be looking good. I had to plug the settings all night. I realized I must have just changed something on the camera. I don't know, there's so many buttons and shit. I don't know, I must have pressed something. So I must change everything. So let me show you guys what the wheels look like. Let's see what it looks like outside real quick. So it should, there you go, look at that. Look at that, fixed it. Alright. Anyway, and I know you guys don't care, but here are the new wheels, the Velgen Lightweight Series 22-inch Classic 5 V2s. This is the new stance right here. Look at the camera, it's working perfectly now, look at that. So that is the new stance on the wheels, 22 inches. I think it looks phenomenal. I love the way it looks. But I realize I'm running into an issue over here. If I bag the Jeep all the way down, if I air it out, this is gonna hit. I took pictures the other night and I realized it started popping out the fender a little bit. So I'm gonna have a little bit of an issue. I'm gonna have to play with the air controller and the PSI and see what setting I can have it where I can bag it without it taking my fender off. So I'm gonna be playing with that a little bit. I might not get the fully aired out look that I love, but you know what? I love the way the 22s look, and I'm definitely not getting rid of these side flares. I love the way they look. If I get rid of those, it'll just look like a snowplow at the bottom, and that's not the look I'm going for. I like the wide front splitter look, but I'll go all the way around the car, that way you can see it. I'm gonna get a wheel alignment today. I haven't got one yet since I got the air suspension. Maybe it'll help a little bit, I doubt it, but maybe it'll just help a little bit. And hopefully maybe I can get it a little lower. But overall, I'm very happy with this. Very happy. And then I'm probably gonna, my old wheels are for sale, so if you're interested, hit me up. They're, like I said, they're the SRT Spider Monkey 20-inch wheels, the stock wheels with the stock Pirelli run flats on them. And I might actually buy another set of 20s. Maybe I'll get the VF5s that I've wanted, and those will be like maybe my car show performance wheels. That way when I go to a car show I can air it out, and then when I'm just riding around I can have these on. And overall though, I'm very, very happy with this. Now let me hit you guys with a little B-roll. Let me show you guys real quick the wing, because I know the camera was messed up, so it was all white. You couldn't really see anything too well. So this is the wing. It does stick out further, so the OEM wing cuts off where this line is right here, right there. So this comes out a little wider, and they provide, Black Ops gives you like a Velcro tape. So like you just, you know, kind of put it on inside, and the Velcro rests against the paint, so it's not scratching it. And then you can see it does stick out. So it's got the two wings now sticking out. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. It's probably gonna be a little bit all over the place. I apologize. Like I said, I was filming 2 videos. It was tough my first time trying to do it, trying to, you know, do the wing part, then do the wheels and tires and, you know, everything all together. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's probably gonna be a little longer than normal. But, I mean, this is what we've been waiting months for, you know? We've been talking about wheels for a long time. I finally got them done. I couldn't be more excited about it. I think it looks amazing. I really, like, I know I say amazing a lot, but it really does look amazing. I love the way it looks. And I really couldn't be happier. So let me know what you guys think of the wheels and tire combo. Did I make the right choice? I am gonna get a set of 20s in the future, so that way I can really bag it out, and those will be my performance wheels. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I appreciate all you guys. I'm gonna be doing the giveaway very soon. Probably be recording that maybe later today. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.